Abusuafo aye latest updates. Efa aye Abronye DC aye bono regional chairman. Honsep ababetodwa aye Abronye minum yenu yenimia ekoso ewo aye Abronye eba aye na brabom sesi anyoma ekoso ewo aye Abronye na buso we dey ma mekasa wan pese ya yekona yitie nkoma ekoso yes yetie aye fresh update ababetodwa efa aye Abronye DC wona se wi a ya bomodi ase be che adwen ewo ye comment section ha eda so aye be media je be so subscribe dia mai yetie nkoma aba.
After say eba be breaki Abronye DC refuse ya to send the passport no one kwan surrender and farmer Accra High Court. And Accra High Court sanso remanding 2 weeks say onkonko PMO police custody. Then High Court issue bench warrant on Abronye DC abusuya enye asem ketwa kra. You see Abronye DC no ye the bench warrant atone so na yeba sanso be breaki edema say Abronye DC wako 7 countries embassies are all seeking for asylum. As you see Abronye DC no the passport now refuse ya say or the comma court na abusuya sa HS asylum and na Abronye DC ekoko siki until finally High Court issue bench warrant on Abronye DC abusuya enye asem keto akra be pese mo be me akona yakwa kotie ensema ekoso abusuya on subscribe ya subscribe na like na hit on the notification bell so na be any update be ebe drop no wonso wonsa ebetumi akabi na ansa na ebe kono pese ne mudi enkomo bi wa asese open computer papa and a laptop papa na we use Abora Perosi computers and accessories abusuya fresh number we 0247 030108 and ase 0597 942-133 Perosi computers and accessories open baby just in the location Abora Bokrom Estate Eli and Obehu Perosi computers and accessories. There Womukran says so low budget and as a high budget Obama high quality laptop na we use abusuya mbonra yensemne yenkonkoti ensema ekoso bedamase
nena Abronye na so be court efa nensem as a bear and 2 days ago buy and yeah now a buy and then wa court but all the excuse by say uni ho yare na the first bail condition at the man na wo mu say depositing the passport na abesi sabe no on deposit passport but the application by say enka court am very sa deposit of the passport this answer the passport na kwa kodi embassy bia or the pre visa 2 kwan is out of the school and the minimum year and to go to say kata did then anim no say or file application nanka wo be say 4 days anka obetumi deposit the said passport no but wanye and this variation of the bail condition on the passport no court about to court so ahye say police for enquete Abronye never into police custody until the production or the until he produces the passport. In the asset now, no, Abronye be don be share ni be on beche no. Na omo na call police custody. And this here no call ne. Na o china otimi producing the passport na near court be kan. Otimi aka. It is ana ekokosi e. Enti ye nyan share date abesa ba until say obe depositing the passport no. And court be san asem so this here there. I said enye bench warrant per se but as a yasesa this answer one man amo court on say say omo kwache no there be on be share ni bia no on be che no unless of course be on house be can say wate ni a court no so akanti no me de me ho kwa koma police na say bia passport no I ready how they call deposit it is an ekokosi here
okay that's
Saudi Arabia say we seeking asylum was different countries. Inti over 7 countries are we seeking asylum. Abronye. Inti nkoje passport na okwa na akosiki no akosiki. Inti ahwera na akosha ene no oye. We who say MPP na entumi for to me ma. We who say impenifo from department no magimi. Inti akosiki asylum was different countries. Inti right now the oye and say or the passport car also I'm a refugee give me asylum or cause I'm a refugee ain't the oil and into a Vienna code in second passport and also me call UK aba or copy Okochino no akwa Sweden Okochino Belgium Sanana akwa we opesoye they don't want to live here again almost MPP no more Jimmy and they are fooling the young ones. Now my man show another story sunye Accra High Court set July 3 or 3rd July to deliver judgment in Chairman Wuntumi's Samra Boy concession case. Yes, say Accra High Court said on the 3rd of July, and a judgment, Chairman Wuntumi judgment, judge, at the beba. And I would like to say this: we should not prejudge cases in court. As some way start here, Chairman Wuntumi the witnesses aba. Attorney General so abe any case. You and I, we have all followed the case. Stories are omo lawyers babontini omoka. Any the Attorney General so APF court oka. At this point, I believe say we should allow the court to work. I will not sit here and prejudge any case because at the end of the day, there is a judge. What's that case we swear or control the judgment at the aba. Whatever reservations or whatever I think, it should be in my head because I cannot sit here and prejudge. I cannot be prejudicial about the case. The judge has about a month to write the judgment. So the young people on TV and radio, amunya every opportunity. Now, mo pesa mo judge case no. Chairman Wuntumi was given the right to hire lawyers. He was given the right to get his facts. He was also given the right to bring in his witnesses. In fact, or the enough witnesses by Bekan Asemano. The Attorney General had every right to also interrogate the witnesses. Attorney General had every right to also put his evidence across. So they have all made their case. And I will advise the young people around Ghana for more Ghana, nemo amuni Ghana. Let us allow the judge to bring his judgment. After the judgment, we can speak on it. I believe that Chairman Wuntumi as a Ghanaian, no, he was given every support by the state to speak because you see, Obia and Chairman Wuntumi, the Kasabu and Shedding Niyum, and Chairman Wuntumi from nowhere. We jina baby da anka say abino sebio emane kwan emane nkyere na adwene emane witnesses nkasa. There was never a day a Chairman Wuntumi lawyer can say the witness we buy and a court na mpene. And the Attorney General so there was never a day or the document ma Chairman Wuntumi lawyers go through omoka say document we there or find the baller. So you can see say case across smoothly. Now let us allow the judge to write his judgment. Uwo bibia kan let it stay in your head. Memeti na ha judge sa case no because the course of court nyana mini ho judge na akọ school judge na nim ensem no de no kre ene de enye no kre when they were cross examining Chairman Wuntumi and the witnesses no na me na wuni ho judge na nya abotre etie e everything. It is up to the judge to write his final judgment to prove to Ghana for say asam no Wuntumi di for ana on di for no it lies with the judge. So I wouldn't advise anybody our platform to send me and answer what radio so TV so whatever to sit and say a case this is I believe no don't do that wrong court to crab it macho. It is very dangerous. Court to crab it macho. Let us allow the judge to do his job. Or the edit to me ashad or the eti court or the etia seven from day one abesinde. Let us allow this judge to write his judgment. Or Charlie judgment we near a reservation be about a judgment. You'll be a best about a judgment. That one we have the right to do it. But for now, I'm not going to sit here, use my platform to go and judge the case or prejudge the case. I'll judge in the country or 1 month to write. 3rd July the and what? And I would like to tell Chairman Wuntumi and any team, they should also move away from going out there creating some impression which is say, the judge in the court. Nobody knows what the judge is going to write. And I also advise the other part. Everybody should basically respect the court, respect the judge, respect the judge's decision. Ebara Chairman Wuntumi di far, Chairman Wuntumi eko. Ebara Chairman Wuntumi di bema. The Chairman Wuntumi has the right to do what? To appeal. So bind the echechere. Mema yem nyani to say enkrama bi ni egum na obi aka na adwene. So let us respect the court. Let us respect the judge. Let us respect the process. Technically, case way and NDA a judge na ekonya abotre akotro the judgment. Oba ye be read judgment ni nyina. Ye be church the judgment ni nyina mu. So I will also plead with Ghanaians. Yes, Ramo. Me also mesra me ho. We should all stay away from trying to judge the case. Abra, there's a judge who is writing the judgment. We beg you. Because the person on my way, ye nyina eti say emra and ye de chichire man no. Chairman wuntimi obian jail no. Chairman wuntimi obian case the so beko jail. Chairman wuntimi aka the case or court. Attorney General making the case. Chairman wuntimi making the case. Yenjama judge and trying judgment. And menya sure say Chairman wuntimi has raised any issues on person judgment in bebaso. Inti, let us not try to interfere. Let us not try to prejudge. Ocho bibi on Facebook, be careful. Ocho bibi or Twitter, or X, be careful. Or make a comment to be or TV so radio so about this case. Yeah, true judgment, you know. Be careful because as some you obey to my can obey to my jail. One shall more kasa be bring we jail judge whoever is going to whatever is going to come out. Intimacy Mome enjoy case na judge no entro the judgment. Obe readia, then we can take it from there. All right. Maybe I'm yasuma for. Yasuma for. Yasuma me and yasumi be chechim. All right. Okay, there's also another case. Oh goodness. Give me a minute. Media houses never picked my story. That is where I have an issue with Randy Abbey. He never picked any of my scandals to talk about. It was personal, and I knew it. At the point, to be put to me raising the issue of Randy Abbey shows no brushing it off. You get it? But I didn't care. I was still doing my job. No media house picked my scandal. But sometimes they almost not TV, so they will talk. It will all at the end of the center on the job I have done with my team. Because I had the document and I had put the document on NDC communicators to be called radio Sunni TV. So Kennedy was asking for $9.5 million. NDC communicators got not TV. So Obu said, no, don't mention that thing here. Obi na yes Obi. Any halitosis, when they want to refer to my document, they are like, this is from unverified, uncultured. They use some grammar to demean Kevin Taylor. You are working hard. You are putting the documents out. You are doing everything. But the media that is supposed to question the document, they make people think you are mad. You'll be angry. You'll be pissed off. You are trying to save the people. And the media that you want to go through for the people to know the truth, they black you out because they also think, say, you are getting in their space. So you got so-called journalists in Ghana deliberately blacking me out. And they still do. They still do. But you see, I'm on top of all of them, so I don't care. So what happened was, you come to Ghana, and it was like Diamond the Pierre Ghana circle. Every media house, Kevin Taylor, Kennedy Japan, man for free radio, so now man for free TV. Man, it's not fucking easy. That is where you get to know who Ghanaians are, the reality on the ground, the people who genuinely hate you. I'm a young man, so I'll say me jai. What do I lose? Over DMV, my father-in-law, he has his own law firm. My mother-in-law, she has her own law firm. My father-in-law was starting a law practice. I called court 3 times. 3. He's an insurance lawyer, or yet only arbitration. Case BNY would do less than 20 million case that. So I'm not somebody, if I quit this, I'll go hungry or go do 3 jobs or 2 jobs. No. Or even 1 job. Unless I decide. So I could have said, say, you know what? You call me business be because I've hustled. I've worked at Delta Airlines, at JFK. I've worked at Dean and DeLuca. I've worked at a container store. At least I have corporate experience. And I'm a boy. So all these things were happening, and you ask yourself, where Ghana for you want to help them? These are Ghanaians, and there you understand. You get Ghanaians they are so in love with the hate. They are in Europe, America, especially Germany, UK. America crap put and shit and you crazy. Germany in the UK. And they were all over the place. Oko Ghana. Utia interviews. That was when Morris Ampa with Juma Baye, Kevin Taylor, and Interpol will pick him. And when Interpol say, I'm saying, damn it, these are people I want to help. These are people I want to help. I have nothing to lose. With all due respect, I'm a fucking American. I have nothing to lose here. It's the people you want to help. What is this hatred? All because Kevin Taylor Kassetia in Penifosa the Omo Yenye. All because Mami Auneni. And I remember there were some people who really liked me from the beginning. At a point, I made people understand. May Miss Race, may Auneni, na me Fantini. A chunk of people stopped listening to me because they know where I'm coming from. Yeah, I can tell you. And I've lost so many friends on the way. There are so many friends I have lost. And that's what my relationship with them ended. There are some people I went to daycare with. Echo School, SS. Our relationship ended because of what I do. Until date, because they never liked what I do. And they still don't like it. They feel, say, I'm not supposed to do that. They are family members today. Family members. They speak against me. Yeah. Because I'm affiliated to MPP. I'm telling you. So it is not just out there. And ask yourself, many of banati, me woma, senka me yire enim Ghana, how Ghana is. And God being so good, Nyankopon prepare Obia and Sana or the task be among. I had to live with my wife in Ghana for a year. Meyire, the first time we met, let me tell you, I say next to Tech campus. Omo anom me tesa hostel hono. Me tena hostel 6 months me tuaka. Me tuam hostel fi miniska. Na me ti be on friend no down blows at then the hostel na enye completed. Esro no munyensie. Ye na rented down no. Na me yere odware 3 times a night before she sleeps. The heat. Me yere Risa. We were on campus and I'm happy there are a lot of people around who are still friends who know. Now Risa odware 3 times. Odware be 10, odware 2, around 5. The heat, you can't sleep more than 30 minutes without sweat. Fan is a corner. One room. I was sharing with like 1, 2, 3, 4 people. We'll be all one room. My wife, Bruni ba, or who be sa put that. Onyo hieni ba o. Sometimes I go out for lectures. Bebano. Na me yire. Boys no more sa hostel no. Omo girlfriends abama. Omo so AC omnyoma. Me yire onima de friend nyoma si, but she tries to learn. Bebano the blue egumintadiem. I tell her that's nice. Onimi ye, but you see, that's why they make catch and baby because say, me my wife, she's a white woman, but we bibiniu. There's nothing you people can say that will hit my wife. She knows Ghanaians more than you people know yourself. Or you do more daily graphic. Me family you daily graphic. Ye nante forma ba circle at a point. Circle. Trotro drivers no money me. Boy not in the blue in the neighbor. No be front seat na my. I'm telling you. Me top fried rice. Me yiri sa akoko no na ontumi wie. Me wi na me yi akoko no e wo ho na me ma wi do mpedo. Do you know what people have gone through to get here? Do you know? My first radio editor and a news editor, Erastu Sasarodonko. Yeah. He had his own issues with me. But today, Bosse is my Bosse. Whether I like it, me woo, or my boss. You have no idea what people have gone through. You have no idea. So video na Moshe Abijina Bola so documentary. That was the Bill Gates Foundation documentary. I mean, that was my first time I got like it was 35,000 euros or 40,000. Yeah. Na me yire na nim ni gina put ball anim. Ni busa won say na camera no wan na ekuta camera nim. It was my wife. Busa say wan na ekuta camera nim. Na me yire na ekuta camera nim. Me na my wife Katerina and if we are the first people, Mama can show. The first media house to enter Anglo-Good Ashanti pit, the deepest. The first to enter Car Power with my crew. Car Power is in Ghana, who remember passport. Answer the room because Car Power is considered as a foreign country. Time of the buy. Do you know? You have no idea. Most of you people have no idea. They are where come mama bedru hano. You have no idea. And Nyanko Ponso nim or mama yire Ghana. So she understands Ghana. Onim me want to me for artwork and that in channel or Ghana say me bubroni. No, she knows how everything costs. It's your few or pigeon or catchy or but she pretend she doesn't know. Onim everything. It is hard and I'm I laugh. Na me sre. Oh, emre because you pay me say me gu na wari. I say me gu me ko be do ma wari. Do you know where I'm coming from with my wife to get to this point? No, you have no idea. But what I want to tell you, then say, Kennedy woman, Kennedy said he's going to court. Kennedy Japan sued Kevin. Kennedy Japan said he's going to court. What happened in Ghana? Beshe Osianko for boy ewa Ghana. Everybody was happy. There were some good people who were very disturbed. Can Kevin can he stand Kennedy? How can he deal with this? Kennedy is a rich man. Kennedy has money. Can Kevin do? Are they going to deport Kevin? How can Kevin pay if Kennedy wins $9.5 million? $9.5 million. Now Kevin Luzier, where is he going to go? Because the strategy, the sue now, it was basically to gag me. Kennedy Winia or get $9.5 million. I can't do any show again. I can't talk. I can't do anything. I'll be forced to go and beg Kennedy Japan. Say, I'm sorry for me. Everybody was all over the place. When India tamo Ghana da Masaudu nencho to be get to Kevin undi trasri. What it to a national chairman. Makabi of TV Zuda.
Okay, I was now winning and some so our political highway so Abronye DC and I didn't on some Ebrema, Sisi and court a issue bench warrant on him and ya as some kitwa. But I must say, some of Japan and Kokutisa and some way at my aha, a gossip politics TV so, Madam.